Welcome back, everyone. Our special segment with the Madison County Health Department and Public Information Officer from the Madison County Health Department, Kelley McBride. Welcome, Kelley.
Thank you. I'm always delighted to be with you guys.
Thanks for coming on.
We're delighted to have you, Kelley. We know you have some important information to share with our viewers this week. So, what news do you have from the Madison County Health Department?
Well, I have 3 H's to cover today.
Good.
Helping out our neighbors in Western Kentucky, healthy holidays, and a High Five for Health campaign that we want to share with everybody.
Okay. All right. Fantastic.
So, yeah, I've been learning a lot from my coworkers here in public health. In light of the recent damage of the tornadoes in Western Kentucky last week,
Right.
I wanted to say a couple things about public health's role in disaster response. And local health departments serve in disaster response by inspecting food that may be damaged as a result of the tornadoes or result of a disaster. Yeah, for example, if a grocery store is leveled, you've got to go through all of those food items.
True.
You've got to clean them up, and they're going to have to be quarantined until they are deemed non-compromised or until they can be disposed of in a proper way.
That is interesting.
So, local health departments coordinate efforts with FEMA to ensure food safety, the safe and clean water supply, and sanitation for any shelters that may have been established in response to a disaster too.
Okay.
So,
all right. Good info.
So we know that since it's quick, it's rapid, the health department teams are there, they're on it, they're on the scene, and they're going through those steps now, as you said, right, Kelley?
Right. And as we seek to come to the aid and the assistance of our friends and neighbors in Western Kentucky, we always want to look for the reputable and official ways to donate our help. And so we've got 2 links to organizations that are reputable. They're not going to be scams. We need to make sure that people are aware of any scams out there that may try to take advantage of people's good nature and wanting to help.
Sure.
But the first one is the Western Kentucky Tornado Relief Fund.
Okay.
So that's Team WKY Relief Fund.ky.gov.
Okay. All right.
And then also the Red Cross, so redcross.org. And Randy's going to share those links with our audience right now so you can see those.
Right.
Yeah.
Very good. And we've been talking about those organizations here at Madison County Live throughout the week, and we know that several donations have already come in, and we have such a generous community here in Madison County.
True.
So like you say, getting funds to those reputable organizations where we know they're going to go specifically to those needs is really important at this time.
Absolutely.
Right. And when I worked in emergency management, I was able to meet some wonderful people. And one of those wonderful people is Jim Garrett. And Kentucky Emergency Management has a person dedicated to volunteer coordination. And that man is Jim Garrett. And so we were emailing back and forth a little bit. And he said he has volunteers who are receiving 1,000 new offers of help per day.
Wow. That's incredible.
That's amazing.
So it's it's a good problem to have. It's certainly a challenge, and he refers to it as a deluge of goodness.
Right.
Yes.
That's true.
Yes, that's true. Important to keep that aspect in mind as well.
Yep, absolutely.
That's right. But in light of all this goodness, the cash donations are strongly encouraged to whatever charitable organization that you choose to give that to. The material goods are helpful and welcome, but they have to have somebody sort through those and distribute those. And so a lot of times the monetary donations are preferable early on.
Absolutely. Right. Right.
Very good, important information there. Kelley, what's the next H that you'd like to cover?
The next H, I feel like a teacher. It's so fun. The next H we have is healthy holidays. So for a healthy Christmas and New Year's, if you're eligible, if you're able, get that COVID-19 vaccination.
Absolutely. Right.
Get your booster, and also get a flu shot.
Yes, that's right.
Because our nurses here tell me you can get both of those on the same day. You can get them at the same time. So as we've always said, check with your pharmacy, your primary care physician, or call us at the local health department about vaccinations. Visit vaccines.gov for a location of vaccine providers.
Absolutely.
So you don't have to just stay here with that. You can, you can choose which vaccine you want to receive as well. So,
and you can get those all at once. That's the great thing.
Yes.
So.
Yeah. So we have, I hope I sent it to you, Randy. If not, I will after we finish talking.
Sure, absolutely.
There is a Holiday Health and Safety Tips 2021 PDF that we'll be sharing. Okay. So it talks about getting your COVID-19 flu and COVID-19 vaccine and your flu vaccine, washing your hands, staying connected with others for your mental health. It's got a lot of really good items there, so be sure to check that out.
Excellent. That's fantastic. And of course, all this is on your website as well.
It is. If it's not on our website, we will be sharing it via social media.
Absolutely. So social media, we've heard of that.
Yeah. I think you have. I think you've mastered social media, actually.
You all do a great job of updating folks on your Facebook page and Twitter account as well. So make sure that you follow the Madison County Health Department on Facebook. And then the final H is?
The final H is High Five for Health campaign.
Excellent.
And this is a campaign from the Foundation for a Healthy Kentucky.
Okay.
And it is supported by Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield Medicaid.
Okay.
What they did was they had focus groups. They listened to parents and listened to their concerns about vaccines for their kids. And they addressed those concerns within their campaign. So they have social media messages that'll be going out, and I'm sure they'll be doing interviews and sharing that information.
Okay.
But they offer answers to frequently asked questions, which I felt really was very helpful. Sure. My kids are grown, but I was thinking, if they were little and needing their vaccine, what would be my questions? And a lot of them are addressed on this frequently asked questions. So
okay, cool.
There are 5 steps. And, for more detailed information, you can visit their campaign at their website. We'll be promoting it on social media. But they suggest that you talk to your physician, talk to your family doctor, your pediatrician. Of course, you're going to talk to your child to prepare them for the experience and what's happening and why it's important to be vaccinated. Then scheduling that appointment. And preparing a vaccine-ready kit. And I was like, well, what kind of kit do you have to have? But basically, it's be aware that it's important for your child to be hydrated before and after a vaccine. So True. I guess that's good for adults to know, too.
Right.
And to have on hand a non-aspirin child's pain reliever in case they have, a sore muscle or a headache or something like that. Okay. So that's good to have on hand. And then follow through with that appointment and get your child vaccinated.
Okay. Excellent. All right. Well,
so those are the big 5.
That's great information.
And all of the information that you just listed, Kelley, once again, where can that be found?
Our website is Madison County Health DEPT.org, and you can follow us on social media or give us a call at 859-623-7312.
Oh, excellent. Well, there you have it, folks. Hey, Kelley, thanks for coming on, and those are the 3 H's, and you can always go back and review those on the program later.
Absolutely. Get out your pen and paper, take notes if you need to, whatever.
That's right. Absolutely.
We just want everybody to have a happy and healthy Christmas, New Year, and holiday season.
Absolutely. We do too. And tell everybody, the team down there at the Madison County Health Department, that Madison County and Madison County Live wishes them a very Merry Christmas and a happy holidays too, Kelley.
Thank you. Will
Kelley,
do.
thank you for joining us. And folks, we'll be right back.